If you've decided to close your Pinterest account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Pinterest website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or the profile icon to access your account settings. Look for the gear icon or the settings option in the menu. Step 3. Find account management. In the settings menu, scroll down to find the account management section. This is where you can manage your account settings, including closing your account. Step 4. Close account. Look for the option that says close account or deactivate account. Click on this option and follow the prompts to confirm your decision. You may be asked to provide a reason for closing your account. Step 5. Confirm closure. After completing the previous steps, you will receive a confirmation message. Make sure to read any information provided about what happens to your data and boards before finalizing the closure. Once you've completed these steps, your Pinterest account will be closed. If you change your mind, remember that you may have a limited time to reactivate your account before it is permanently deleted.